big ass day. I would much rather take your strategy. I'm hoping Josh follows suit. He keeps complaining to me about how he's going to do so poorly.
And then he does really well.
And then he does really well. Like oh dear God, this is the top. Hot diggity. That was a doozy. All right. Oh, now we gotta straight down. Okay. That was the thing. Hey-oh. Yes, you love rock. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming out. Watch your cars when you pull out.
Okay. Whew. How you doing?
Good.
Whew. Grind. This is a grind. I'm glad I dipped these into the river real quick.
Oh, that was fun.
Man, do I feel $1,000,000 better.
Good.
Did you start early?
I started at a half an hour.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Dude, you're crushing it. I know.
Back is not. I'm gonna have a hard time surviving this climb.
Well, I think this is mostly it afterwards, you know?
True, yeah.
Party at the top. You too. There's Christy. Oh my God, I need these. Oh. Yo, gee, it's so good. So good. No, this is tough. One hundo. I wish you had a hose right now. I could really use it. Yeehaw! Oh my God, I'm gonna make some snow angels. Hey-o! Thank you. Whoop. Down, that is hard. Oh, this wind, yes! The last push. Mother of God. Thank you, Jamie XX. I'm pumping it right now. Just the way I feel. Oh, actually, dipping my foot in is nice. Should do that more often. Oh, wow, great. Yeah, they kind of undersold this part. Yeah, me too. Woohoo! So hot yet so cold.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna run up this shit. been crossed in this condition. Swish, splash, swish, splash. Ice pack doing its job. So, let's do a quick sand lesson while we're here. I'm stuck in it. Step 1, very low gear. Step 2, I guess I'm gonna skip this shit. Alright, ignore this lesson. Don't do the sand if you don't have to. Lesson. Y'all okay? Woohoo! Lovely. Looking forward to that 8 stop in a minute. Woohoo! You and I keep trading that all day. Hey-oh! Frick yeah!
Right.
13 miles to go, baby! Just sand, sandy sand, sand. Yeah, we're rocking through this. Okay, here's a sand lesson. Pedal slow, pedal steady. Let the bike take you where it wants to go and not where you want it to go. Here's more sand right here. And it's uphill. So we gotta push extra hard. Whee! Whee! Is that my favorite motorcycle behind me? Oh shit, you're right. Oh, it was a day? Yeah. Scorching out here. Oh, right as they record, it stopped playing. Oh man.